So in this place, what we're going to do, we're just gonna delete the supporting edges. By now, you know how to make this. We've already made this on the main group. So we're just going to copy this over here and join them. Now just follow my steps. Now we have to merge these two. Oh, right over here on this place. Just make sure that the to have a proper snap, all of those vertical line or these edges should be on the same z-axis. Otherwise, it's not gonna snap properly and gonna cause some issues. Before the merge, let's turn on the auto merge and make sure to place an extra zero over there. Nice, it snapped real well, real well. Let's Control R, bring it down, go 0.85, bring it down. Make sure that everything here just is in 0.85. Make sure that everything here just is in 0.85. Now get rid of that ship deals again. Copy that value, place that value over there with the minus. We gotta do the same thing on all four corners, all four sides. value, place that value over there with the minus. Well, we gotta do the same thing on all four corners, all four sides. As you can see over here, it is not in the improper place. Now let's just move it manually. Now, as you can see over here, it is not in the improper place. Now let's just move it manually. Now, with that value, then over here, let's not merge it for now. Paste it. Fix these things first. Let's try now. Oh no, there's a huge. Let's cut what I said. Paste it over here. Copy that value. Now we're gonna make changes on that side. Sorry. Paste it. We only have to make changes over on this side. Paste it over here. So here. Now we're gonna make changes on that side. Sorry. We only have to make changes over on this side. Cheesy. Turn this auto mode on. Snap it. Great. Besides one, all of them have snapped into their places. Just pull this one up manually. Now place this value over here. Cheesy. Let's do a trick. Turn this auto mode on. Let's grab the entire section. Shift D, right click. Besides one, all of them have. Before that, there's one more thing to do. Let's just change this collision to grill. Just name it back high. Now place this value over here. Just give it back high grill. Let's do a trick. Let's grab the entire section. Just duplicate it and name it duplicate, and just hide it. For that, there's one more thing to do. Let's just now which isn't copy pasted. It's collision to grill. Just name it back high. Just give it back high grill. Just duplicate it and name it duplicate, and just hide it. Now which isn't copy pasted. Just move it a bit up, then just copy paste its coordinates and factor. Cool. Just move it a bit up, then just copy paste its coordinates and factor.